got up from the last session of the day. I'm super tired, but I still wanted to make this video. My last client, today's last client was an astrologer, and we were discussing a very important topic about tarot reading and how it can be unhealthy. Yes, astrologer is saying that tarot reading can be very harmful. Very harmful. Honestly speaking, I believe in astrology. I do believe in tarot reading. I just have faith in it. Now, I personally don't think that tarot readings can be healthy for you as well. Just like the astrologer said, I also don't feel that tarot reading is a healthy form. As in, I have had clients, yes, crazy stories from me. I have had clients who have spent 50% of their monthly income just on tarot readings, just because they are in a toxic loop of relationship, and somehow getting 1 day reading, 2 day reading, 3 day reading, it gives you a form of dopamine kick and addiction. Not knowing sometimes is better than knowing every step of your life. Apart from that, there is a certain way that I want to believe that this is how my life is going to turn out. And now if an astrologer or tarot reader comes up to me and says that this is how your life is going to turn out, I have a feeling that you're going to affirm to it, and then it is how the upcoming situation is going to be, just like how your tarot reader predicted. And I'm not questioning this profession at all, but even if you are trying to manifest something in your life and there is another professional opinion of a tarot reader, this is how your life is going to turn out, I think it's going to block your manifestations and whatever you wish to have. So you're not going to fight for it, you're going to give up easily. As a therapist, my job is also to help the client stand by himself or herself, and also make sure that they are not codependent on me, because that will be another problem if you cannot live your life without a therapist. We will help you to stand all by yourself, to be prepared, to know your boundaries, to know about yourself. But that doesn't mean that you will have to have me in your life throughout. That doesn't make me a healthy therapist. If someone is doing that to you, that you have to take this many sessions, that many sessions, you are becoming codependent on your therapist. So I'm discussing this today because the client was telling me, you know, Shushmita, there is something you always maintain. You always maintain minimum at least 7 to 10 days of gap between every session. And you always say that at least apply and then come back and say that this did not work out for me, that worked out for me. If you don't have the space to experiment with whatever we discussed in the session, how will we know that if the therapy is effective or not? And absolutely, I cannot give therapy after therapy. There has to be a gap of 7 to 10 days in my case, at least. I don't know how other therapists